This is Algebra 2. We're on lesson 108. That is crazy. Page 443. Sum and difference of cubes. So this lesson is on factoring the sum of two numbers that are perfect cubes or the difference of two numbers that are perfect cubes. And we had done long division with these. We did x cubed plus y cubed, and we divided it x, and we did long division. Do y'all remember that? Now we're not going to do long division. We have perfect cubes. We're going to factor it. And they are easily factorable. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and write the factors. Is x cubed a perfect cube? Yes. It's a perfect cube of what number? Of what letter? Of just x, yes. Okay, so to find the perfect cube of a variable, you take the exponent and divide it by 3. We're going to do some that are not just, right? So it's 3 divided by 3, which is 1, so it's x. What's the perfect cube? What's y cubed the perfect cube of? Y. Okay, we're going to memorize this. And I kind of told you this before. Plus is plus minus plus. Plus is plus minus plus. Plus is plus minus plus. All right, so you look at the cube roots and you write the cube roots in the first binomial. So it's just x and y. All right. So it's just the cube roots. Here, it's the cube roots squared, the first one. So it's the cube root squared. The middle number is the cube roots multiplied. We're just multiplying them. And the last term is the second term squared. All right, so it's cube root, first cube root squared, cube roots multiplied, second cube root squared. And plus is plus minus plus. Plus is plus minus plus. Minus is minus plus plus. Minus is minus plus plus. Plus is plus minus plus. And minus is minus plus plus. Same values. Okay, minus is minus plus plus. See, I always have to do that. I've taught myself that. That's what I do. Minus is minus plus plus. Plus is plus minus plus. You got it? So plus is plus and minus is minus plus. Right. The first term is the cube root. Second term, second cube root. The first cube root squared. The cube roots multiplied. The second cube root squared. Got it? Cube root, first cube root squared, cube roots multiplied, last cube root squared. If we distributed this, the middle term eliminates, and we just have x cubed minus y cubed. All right, so what if I had 27? I've written this down. This is harder than anything you'll ever have. Okay, what's the first thing I tell myself? Minus is plus plus. Got it? Minus is minus plus plus. All right. And then I ask myself the cube root. What's the cube root of 27? Cube root of 8 to the 9th. What do I do to my exponent? I divide it by 3. So it's a cubed, b to the fourth power, 12 divided by 3. Got it? That's the cube root. Because a power raised to a power, we multiply. Therefore, when I'm taking the cube root, I'm dividing. So roots, we divide, right? Power raised to a power, we multiply. We're following those rules of exponents. Got it? Cube root of 125. 5. Yes, it's 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Times 5 is 125. Or you can put it in your calculator. Cube root. Yes?
How do we get 5?
Put the cube root of 125 in your calculator. You got it, Sally? You did it wrong.
I got 1,397.
You did 5 cubed.
Okay.
Maybe. No. You did 125 cubed.
Yeah.
This is what you want. The cube root of 125.
Can I put that into my calculator?
You can put that in your calculator.
How?
You go.
Tell him, Landry. It's a shift.
Okay.
You go.
Shift
of the
square root.
Okay, thank you.
Got it?
Oh, yeah.
Got it? It's 5.
Oh, I was thinking the square root.
Cube root.
Yeah, okay, so this is the cube. Okay.
All of this lesson is on cube roots. Cubes. 3s. Although, a cube is really not a 3-sided.
Why do we call it a cube? It's not.
Third root. I know.
Like,
Because a cube is really,
like square and then third dimension thing.
has how many sides? Ha- 6. Yes. Okay. That's neither here nor there. A cubed. What's the cube root of a cubed? A. Cube root of b to the 6th.
The square.
All right, what goes here? First term. 3. A cubed, b to the 4th. What goes here?
5a b squared.
All right, what goes here? The first term
9.
squared. So it's 3 squared.
Is it parentheses?
Square every number, yes. 3 squared, a cubed squared. Power raised to power, we. So it's a to the 6th. B to the 4th squared. 4 times 2. 8. The middle term is all of these multiplied. Okay, multiply 3 times 5, which is?
15.
Okay, now multiplication of variables is addition. So a cubed and, yeah, it's a to the 4th. And then b to the 4 plus 2, which is 6. Got it? The last term is the second term squared. So 5 squared. 25. A
Squared.
squared. B to the b squared squared. 4th. Got it? Okay. Let's do another one. Okay, what's the cube root of 216? Somebody did that in the calculator. What do you think it is? It's not 5.
6.
It is 6. All right. What's the cube root of x cubed? Cube root of y to the 6th. What? Squared. Cube root of 64. Four. Y'all should know that one. Cube root of x to the 6th. X squared. Cube root of y to the 24th. Y to the 8th. Plus is what?
Plus, minus, plus.
Good job. Don't know if I have enough space. What goes in this first space here?
6x y squared.
The first cube root, right? What goes in this second space here?
4x squared y to the 8th.
What goes here?
24.
The first term
X
squared.
Oh, yeah. So 36.
So 36
X squared.
x
y
squared y to the 4th. The middle term are the terms
multiplied.
multiplied. That's 24 x what? Cubed y to the 10th. And what's this last term?
Y squared. So
The second term squared, what? 16, yes? That's 4 squared.
4.
X to the 4th.
Y to the 64.
Y to 8 times 2. 16. Right? It's that term squared. Got it?
What are we supposed, is this like the answer to the problem? Like if you write down the board?
This is it factored. Yes, it's just going to say factor this.
You don't have to solve it.
You don't have to solve it. Next year you'll have to solve it. Okay, let's do practice problem 2. I made those up. I think I have another one made up too. But we'll actually work practice problem 2. All right, what's the cube root of 8? 2. Cube root of m cubed? Cube root of y to the 6th?
1 squared.
Cube root of x cubed?
x
Plus is? Plus is?
minus plus.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Plus, minus, plus.
Plus is plus minus plus. Okay, everybody look. Plus is plus minus plus. If it's plus, plus goes first. But minus is minus plus plus. Minus goes with minus. Got it? And this is your binomial. That's your trinomial. Binomial, trinomial. Got it? Okay. You'll be saying plus is plus minus plus and minus is minus plus plus before you know it. You'll be hearing that voice in your head. Okay, what goes here?
2y squared.
Yep. What goes here?
X.
Just x. Are y'all getting this? This is not rocket science, isn't it? So easy, isn't it? What goes here?
4m squared y 4.
What goes here?
2 and y squared x.
And here.
X squared.
Got it?
Yes.
Excellent.